Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I did a video earlier today on this about using the color eyedropper tool, and you could also use the Smart Fill tool. I failed to mention that. You could go to Smart Fill tool and go to, and this is longer steps, take an eyedropper and then fill in that spot. But with the color eyedropper tool, and then somebody reminded me, I knew there was a quicker way. I was having to go back to the pick tool back and forth. But if you'll get the color eyedropper tool, I wasn't even looking. Right up here is the last color used. You know, you can add color from palette, but all you have to do is take a sample, fill it in. Now, to get a new color, I'd go to the pick tool, but all you have to do is just click on that again. And then it's taking a different sample. Click on that, different sample. Let's try to get a different color. Now that was a good example. When you do this and you see the square box, let me see if we can zoom in. A lot of times zooming doesn't help. If we take the color eyedropper tool, if you see that, well, I need to take a sample. If you see that square box, that means it's going to change the outline. If you see the solid color, it means it's going to change the fill. So a little bit faster. I appreciate that gentleman for reminding me. All you have to do is just click back on it, you know, make a new, any shape you want. Eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is a really cool tool. So all you have to do is just bam, and it's done. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.